Here in my Windows 10 computer, I have a app PDF Gear. I want to transfer this app to Windows 11 computer without reinstalling it. Connect a USB drive to the source computer, I mean Windows 10 computer, and then go to File Explorer, click on this PC and go to C drive, go to Program Files. Here you will find PDF Gear. All installed files and programs for PDF Gear are in this folder. Right click on PDF Gear folder and then click on copy. Again click on this PC. This is my USB drive. Go to USB drive and paste the folder here. Folder has been copied. Now eject the USB pen drive and disconnect the USB drive. Now I'm going to my Windows 11 computer. Here in Windows 11 computer, connect the USB drive and go to File Explorer. Click on this PC and look, the USB drive is connected to E drive. Open the USB drive and you will find the PDF Gear folder here. Right click on it and then click on copy. Click on this PC, go to C drive and go to Program Files. Right click on empty area and click on paste. You will need to provide administrative permission to copy to this folder. Click on continue. The folder is copying. Copy has been finished. Open PDF Gear folder. Now go back to Windows 10 computer. Right click on the PDF Gear icon on Windows 10 desktop and then click on open file location. Look, the application file name is PDF launcher. Again go to Windows 11 computer, scroll down. Look, this is the file PDF launcher. Right click on it and then click on show more options. Click on send to and then click on desktop, create shortcut. Close File Explorer. PDF Gear shortcut icon has been created. Now I'm going to launch the app. Right click on it and click on open. The PDF Gear app is successfully working on Windows 11 computer. This is the easiest way to transfer installed app from Windows 10 to Windows 11 computer.